job involves the installation of cable TV, satellite TV, CCTV, or any other systems utilizing coaxial cable, Rexford Tools' new coaxial cable mapper is going to make your job a whole lot easier. Identifying unlabeled cable runs is both frustrating and costly. Rexford Tools' coaxial cable mapper eliminates this issue by allowing installers to identify up to 8 cable drops in a single trip. Mapping cable drops is simple. Start by installing a numbered terminator on every location that needs to be mapped. Terminators can be installed on wall plates or terminated cables. It is important to take note of which terminator number is installed at each location. For locations without wall plates, a simple F-barrel adapter can be used. If you are working with BNC or RCA connectors, optional adapters are available that allow both the terminators and main mapper unit to be connected. Once all the terminators are installed, mapping out the locations is quick and easy. Connect the main mapper unit to each cable one at a time and press the button. The mapper's readout will display the corresponding terminator's number. Rexford Tools' coaxial cable mapper will also indicate whether the cable you're connected to has an open or short on it. Also included with Rexford Tools' coaxial cable mapper is a rugged Cordura carrying case. This case is designed with a custom foam insert, along with a metal belt clip allowing for quick and easy access. Professional installers will appreciate this unit's replaceable F connector. It is designed for replacement with any standard push-on F adapter. The unit is powered by 2 CR2032 batteries that are easily accessible beneath the unit's slide-off battery cover. Rexford Tools coaxial cable mapper kits are available in 2 different sizes, both a 4-way and 8-way version.